Eric will see, no? Eric will see. Eric will see the video. My God, I will get wet or what, man? Pen is there, no problem. Good, I don't know to swim also, no. Problem is this. That is my room, you see. I am in safe zone. And that is my friend. He is very expert in swimming. Very good in swimming. So I have no problem. You go that side? Side way you go now. Be very dividing. Am I going in the right part, no? You can see. That is my owner room and that is mine. Hey, this Adil house. The government is also not giving us anything, right? No ration, no pani. Just click. Just making one video. Eric will see, no, afterward.
Give video and he walk. Already there, okay? Look. Go.
Yeah, come.
Sometimes look.
Beautiful man.
Yes. Look again. Beautiful man.
Yeah, beautiful man. You can see this side also. You see? Trees are growing there.
Yes.
Wow. Come. Nice place.
Then you take me.
You move. Yes. Good. Go on moving. I think we'll click video photos now, okay?